Okay, students, welcome you all in today's session that is of standard third. And today we are starting our lesson number 8. It is regarding internet. And the name of and title of the lesson is The Internet and Introduction. If you have your book, then please open your book with it so that you can understand the concept very easily. Let me enlarge the size of the screen. Okay. Now students, we will cover some topics in this lesson, that is uses of internet, advantages and disadvantages of internet, basic terminology, what is internet, how we can connect it, then opening a web page, how we can get information from website, then basic best practices related to online safety, means whatever you do on internet, we have to keep some safety points, safety measures in our mind. We will discuss all those safety measures. And finally, we will discuss about the responsibility of a good citizen, good digital citizen. Means what we can do on internet and what we uh, what we can do on the internet and what we don't do. Okay, so do's and don't, we all uh, topics we will discuss in this lesson. Let's start. Children, today we will learn about the internet. Let us first understand the term internet. First term, network. Because from network you can understand internet. Network. Net means just like some threads. Like in sports, we also use net. Okay, like in badminton, in table tennis, in volleyball, right? And in football, we in all game, mostly all games, we need a net. And what is the use of net? And what is the main feature of net? Main feature of net is that we can cross from the net from one thread to any other thread because they all are connected with each other, right now. So you can see the another example of network of blood vessels. यानी blood vessels means कि जो खून की नसें हमारी बॉडी में हैं, these are blood vessels. Okay, so you can see the example of blood vessels in our body. As you can see in this picture, these all blood vessels are connected with each other. Not a single vein is there, not a single vessel is there in our body which is not connected with another vessel, right? So the another example of the roads, network of roads means सड़कों का जाल. ऐसे ही ये vessels यानी नसों का जाल. Net means जाल, right? So all things are connected with each other. In the same way, when millions of computers are connected to each other, they form a computer network. Okay, what it means? It means, as you can see in the picture, and in our computer lab, in our school, all the computers are also connected with each other. It means they are connecting in a network. Network means when we connect something with each other, that is called network. And when we connect the computers of the world with each other with the help of wire or without wire, means satellite, it is called internet, right? In internet we have two words, inter and net. First is inter, another one is net. Inter means international and net means network. Means internet is the network of international computers, right? Computer can be anywhere, can be anywhere established, maybe in the same room, maybe in the another room, maybe in the another home, maybe in the another city, maybe in the another state, or maybe in the another country. So there is no geographical limitation for internet. Anywhere from anywhere you can connect with internet and you can exchange the information, exchange the data, such as text, means whatever you type, this is text. Graphics, just like these pictures. Voice as you are listening my voice, and video as you can see the video. These all we can share on internet, right? Also we can collect information on any topic of interest within the seconds through the internet. Suppose students, you want to know that how much or what is the percentage of the person in the world who has 6 fingers in a hand, right? It is a very strange question, but if this question came into your mind, then you can search it on the internet very easily. You just type your question in the Google, or you just speak after the after switch on the mic of Google, then computer will type for you and internet will search for you. So this is the beauty of the internet. Now the uses of internet. Why we use internet so much? Because of some features of it, some uses of it, and the some from many uses we are discussing some uses of internet. Number one, news and information. Students, we can came to know about any topic, or news on any topic, or any information we can gather from internet. It may be from politics side, sports side, or education side, right? Or even we can know about the current events. You can see we can see the live matches, because and you can see uh, matches are playing in another city or another country, but we can see them from anywhere if we have internet connection. Second use is art and entertainment. Art and entertainment, what it means? Uses using the internet, one can watch movie, listen to songs, play games and puzzles, read joke stories, and let me turn the page, and books. The internet also allows us to download and purchase various types of software. Look, students, in your free time you can see movies, or you can listen music, or you can make drawing on internet very easily, but all you can do only with the help of internet. Okay, or with the help of internet you can purchase any software also. Very famous option of internet on internet is online shopping. We can purchase various items like books, clothes, electronic goods, etc., from different e-shops around the world without actually going there. What it means, students, as you can see, some companies are there, some apps are there which are dealing in the shopping, online shopping. As you can see, Flipkart, Jabong, Home Shop 18, eBay.com, Myntra, Snapdeal, uh, Yebi.com, Jungly, or Trods, right? And many more. Here you can see some names, but many more apps are there which are dealing in online shopping, right? Next is mailing letters. Yes, we can email our letters with the help of internet. And as in normal letter, we can't send photographs, we can't send video, we can't send audio, but with the help of internet, when we are going to send the email to our known to persons, with that email we can send picture, video and sounds as well. Okay, next use is health and fitness. It is quite precious use of, very good use of internet. Using the internet, one can have an all-time doctor at one service to provide health and fitness information. Dear students, nowadays many doctors are online every time. They will see you online, and they will told you about your disease, and they will also told you about the remedies. Means आपकी मीन्स के डॉक्टर आपको ऑनलाइन ही चेक कर सकते हैं आपकी वेब कैम से, और दे कैन प्रिस्क्राइब यू द मेडिसिन ऑल्सो. ओके, now tourism and travel. Suppose students, you want to go anywhere with your parents. Now there is no need to go in the rush for uh, purchasing tickets or book tickets, right? As you know very well that nowadays, uh, everywhere everywhere we are going with security, like mask or sanitizer, and we always keep distance. But with the help of internet you can book tickets, or even you can book hotels where you want to go, right, without moving anywhere, with the help of your mobile or with the help of your computer. But internet connection is must for that. Okay, and you can do this anytime, anytime, even at midnight, no problem at all. Next is chatting. This is the most common use of internet. We all do that, but uh, excess use of internet is always bad. So please be very much careful when you use internet for chatting, because it always spoils our time. But we can do chat on internet. Banking operations. Using internet e-banking services, one can perform all banking operations from anywhere without visiting the bank. Look, students, this topic is quite advanced for you because you are just in third standard. But for your knowledge, I am telling you that with the help of internet, you can send money to anyone and you can receive money from anyone without going bank, right? Many operations you can perform without going bank with the help of internet. Let me turn the page. Now, one more use is video conferencing. Look, students, there is a slight difference between video call and video conferencing. जरा सा difference है इसके अंदर. When we make video call, then only two persons are required. Okay, एक हम जो वीडियो कॉल करेंगे और दूसरा जिसको हमने वीडियो कॉल की है. बट when third person is joined with this call, it becomes conference, right? So nowadays with the help of internet, we can make video conference from our home, from our place. No need to go anywhere, and all other persons can also do same, right? So we need only a screen, web camera, speaker, and microphone for that, so that we can make conference. Now, advantage and disadvantages of internet. Look, student, first of all, we will discuss many advantages of the internet. Number one, faster communication. There is no need to wait for the letters nowadays, because in you can say before 20 years back, there was no much use of internet, and we were in the habit to send normal mails, normal letters, and we waste much time in that practice. But nowadays, no need to waste your time. The communication is very fast now, as we can use so many social networking websites or apps, just like Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Skype, or WhatsApp, or you can say Instagram, and many more. Next is abundant information. A lot of information can be taken on any topic of our interest through the internet. This is possible with the help of various search engines used by the internet user. Look, students, you can get message or get information from internet according to your interest. No need to see all the message. Internet will search for you only uh, that portion of message which you need. Okay, now easy sharing. Yes, it is very easy. We can share our messages with our known to persons very easily. After that, online services and e-commerce, we already discussed about it. In online service, e-commerce is the best feature. With the help of, we can purchase or sell anything, anywhere, anytime. Next is cost saving. Definitely, it is cost saving, because suppose we are using network or internet, then there is no need to attach printer, scanner, modem with every computer. You can attach with only main computer, that is master computer, its another name is server. Now, disadvantages of computer. My dear students, in this world, nothing is there which has only advantages. Disadvantages always be there. So, what are the disadvantages of internet? Number one, virus threat. We all know that with the help due to the internet using internet, our computer or our mobile get affected with the virus, and virus can disturb or lose our data anytime. So we have to be very much careful. Information theft. Look student, if you share your debit card number details, credit card number details, or any password with your known to persons, or even with your friends, close friends, they can also misuse of these passwords and lock keys, and they can steal your information and sometimes money also, right? Fast spreading or wrong information, this is the main disadvantage. Look students, on the WhatsApp, so many messages we get on the daily basis, and we never be very much sure about the news is true or false. Even we also uh, forward all the messages without knowing that this message is true or fake, right? So this is the main problem of internet, that fast spreading of wrong information is on internet. Next is spam. Spam are the unwanted messages, as you can see, and you can see on the mobile also. You will get on the regular basis, we get messages from many companies, for advertisement companies, that you can take loan or you can purchase this product with on the discount. These kinds of messages are unwanted. उनको हम चाहते नहीं है कि वो हमारे पास आए, but for the company purpose, for the ad purpose, advertisement purpose, the company send those messages to us. With those messages, virus can also come in our computer. So this is the main advantage of internet. नेक्स्ट इज बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ इंटरनेट. कौन कौन से ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो इंटरनेट में हम यूज करते हैं? ये आपके लिए थोड़े से नए हैं बिल्कुल, बिकॉज यू आर इन थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड, एंड फ्रॉम दिस क्लास you will listen these words, but you have to be very much familiar with these words, because these words are the basic terminology of internet. Number one is website. The information available on the internet is containing in the website and on the web pages. Look students, whatever you open on internet, it always open in the form of web pages, and those web pages are the part of any website. Just like you have a page in your book, and this page is related with the book, और उस बुक का कोई ना कोई नाम होता है. जैसे अभी जो मैंने बुक ओपन की हुई है, इसका नाम है साइबर बीन. द नंबर इज 3, राइट? कंपनी इज किप्स. सो दिस इज आवर पेज, एंड पेज इज द पार्ट ऑफ बुक. सो सेम वे वेब पेजेस के ऊपर हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है, जैसे इसके ऊपर इंफॉर्मेशन, एक पेज पे इंफॉर्मेशन हमें मिल रही है, बट व्हेन वी collect those pages and put into a folder and give a name to it, it is called website. So जैसे हमारी एक बुक होती है, बुक के अंदर पेजेस होते हैं, पेजेस के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, बुक के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होती है, पेजेस के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. बुक इज द ओनली द कलेक्शन ऑफ दोज पेजेस विद अ नेम, राइट? सेम वे वेबसाइट में इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होती है, वेब पेजेस में इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. जस्ट वेट स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, and now home page. Suppose students, you are opening any website and the very first page of the website is called home page. Home means घर, यानी हम लोग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं हर रोज? अपने घर से, जहाँ हम रहते हैं. इसलिए हर एक वेबसाइट भी कहाँ से शुरू होगी? उसके मेन पेज से। द मेन पेज ऑफ एनी वेबसाइट इज कॉल्ड होम पेज, और उसी होम पेज से वी कैन गो एनीवेयर, एज यू कैन ओपन एनी बुक विद इट्स मेन पेज। उस मेन पेज से आप किसी भी पेज पर जा सकते हो। इन द सेम वे, every main page of the website, the main or very first page of any website, whenever you open it, is called home page, right? Next is web browser. A web browser is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. Look, students, if you want to start internet onto your computer, then we need a software. Its name is web browser. If you don't have web browser, then you can't open any information on the internet. You can normally open your web browser from a shortcut on your desktop. Browser make it easy to move from one website to another. You can visit any website by entering its URL in the address bar or a web browser. Examples of some popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, etc. Now I am showing you Google browser. I have Google Chrome. Look, students, if I open this, this is our web browser, and we have this google.com page. फ्रॉम देयर, दिस इज योर वेब ब्राउजर, और वेब ब्राउजर में हमने खोल दिया है, और यहाँ पर हम जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन लिखेंगे, जो भी वेबसाइट का नाम लिखेंगे, इट विल ओपन. सपोज आई एम ओपनिंग द सेंचुरी स्कूल .com. Look, students, our website is opening. It will depend on the speed of internet. Look, it is already open, right? This is our website, and you can also open it with the name of thecenturyschool.com. Okay, so you can see that. After that, सर्च इंजन. अभी अभी मैंने आपको सर्च इंजन भी ओपन करके दिखाया, google.com. I am showing you again. Suppose I am opening another page. Look, search engine. In this search engine, we can find anything. Suppose I am typing a question or a word on which I want to make search. That is highest mountain peak in the world. सबसे ऊंचा पहाड़ कौन सा है? ये देखो, इसने नाम बता दिया आपको विद पिक्चर्स, माउंट एवरेस्ट, राइट? तो ये इसने माउंट एवरेस्ट का नाम लिख दिया है, और ये इसने आपको पिक्चर्स भी दिखा दी है. ये कहाँ पर है? इफ यू वांट टू नो दैट, देन यू कैन क्लिक ऑन इट्स विकिपीडिया, राइट? तो इट विल टेल यू एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ द माउंट एवरेस्ट एंड एवरी फीचर ऑफ इट. Okay, beta. So it is web browser and search engine. Google.com is a search engine, and Google Chrome is a web browser. Right, beta? Let's move on. Now URL. I will close this class here. Today's last topic is URL. Beta, the name of the website is called URL. Just like this, www.cartoonnetwork.com. If I type this name here, www.cartoonnetwork.com, ये नाम नीचे आ गया है. I can open it from there. और aajtak.com. ये जो मैंने नाम लिख दिया है न्यूज चैनल का, इट विल ओपन नाउ. Look students, any page you can open. Look, this is Aaj Tak Haryana page. It is open now. Like, but we have to write the name of the website, and the name of the website is called URL. Its full form is Uniform Resource Locator. Here I want to clear one thing which is very important, that two websites name can't be same. दो वेबसाइट के एक जैसे नाम नहीं हो सकते, सेम नाम नहीं होंगे, कुछ ना कुछ चेंज उसमें होगा. ठीक है, जैसे हमारी फिंगरप्रिंट्स नहीं मिलते ना, किसी भी इंसान के फिंगरप्रिंट्स किसी से भी नहीं मिलते, इसी तरह से वेबसाइट का नाम भी, एक वेबसाइट का नाम दूसरी वेबसाइट से नहीं मिलता. ओके बेटा, सो आई एम एंडिंग माय लेक्चर हियर. बिफोर गोइंग आई वांट टू टेक द अटेंडेंस. जस्ट वेट. Student, if you want to ask anything, you can ask. You can unmute yourself and you can ask any question. Do you have any query? Please let me know.
No,
Chaitanya?
sir.
Chaitanya Chopra?
No.
Chaitanya?
No, no, sir.
Then why you raising your hand? Down your hand, beta. Yogit, do you have any problem today's lesson?
No, sir.
Charu Paliwal, do you have any query, beta?
No, sir.
Okay. So I am ending this lesson here. And I hope very soon we will meet in school. I hope in next week we will meet. Till then, please take care of yourself. Don't go outside. Stay at home and stay safe. Bye, beta.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, beta.
Bye, sir. Thank
Welcome.
Bye.